कोण select कमी मेळटा जाल्यार it could be better. Only as far as fees are concerned, Speaker sir.
Honorable Speaker, हांव ही bill पळयतालो. This bill is now the Goa Suits Valuation Bill 2025 because it is replacing the 1965 Act.
That's right.
Now the 1965 Act almost word to word is reproduced here in this Act, in this bill, except when you speak about certain sections, subsections, when the valuation is coming, I can understand it is to bring it in accordance with the Court Fees Act. But there is a hidden line, and that is the apprehension not just of ours, but also the legal fraternity. Section 3, as what my learned colleague has mentioned, Section 3, what he means, can I just say this part to the Honorable Chief Minister Meluk? The government may, in consultation with the High Court, make rules for determining the value of the land by previous publication. That's the only thing. It won't hurt. By previous publication, insert corpus, I think.
तू म्हणटा बाय पब्लिकेशन घालपाक जाय म्हणून
Previous publication. Please look, I'll read it again. The government may, in consultation with the High Court, make rules for determining the value of the land for purpose.
we can put into the by while framing the rules. I want here only.
Now, I'll tell you what, if it's statutorily not required to have a previous publication, then rules can't provide for previous publication. The rules will be requiring it to make it previous publication. Otherwise, whatever you put up on your file, you notify, that becomes the rate. Here, at least people will have a right to say it's low or it's high, whatever it is, they can make, then government takes a decision. Only I'm saying put previous publication, that's the only thing. After the word value of the land,
we'll do that into the rules.
by previous publication. In the rules only will go for previous publication.
Previous publication घालू येता
कोई गाल by previous publication.
तिको एक शब्द घालू येता.
होय, 3 words, sorry. By previous publication.
At that in 3 to the हेच्या पयली.
Yeah, value of the land by previous publication. लोका कोटले.
पयली लोकांक कळपाक.
लोका कोटले.
See, the
Objection
public needs to know.
होय.
While
What he said, I've just cut short.
we'll add by previous publication. That's all.
That's it. Now, in section 6, only one.
बाकीचे काय ना
ना दाखवता तुकाराम.
6 same हांवें म्हणलेलो.
6 March पळय. When the subject matter of suits or any class other than suits specified in clause 5, 6 and subclause D of clause 9, section 7 of which act?
Clause 9 of the section
Not
7.
in the act. I know what you are reading.
Court Fees Act.
Insert that also. Of the Court Fees Act. मग घालूं जाय. It's a printer's devil म्हणपाचें. नाल्यार of which act?
ताचे सकयल बरयला for the purpose
Sokla
of
is
Court Fees
different.
Act.
Sokla is different.
It is there for the purpose of Court Fees Act.
No, it has to be there.
It is also there in the definition.
No, it has to be there.
No, while it is an, you see the section 2 definition in this act, unless the context otherwise required, the Court Fee Act. It is there, it is clarified.
No. Court fee is defined to say Court Fees Act.
When we are working
No,
on
you
the
can't
Court
read
Fee
the
Act,
definition, the word is not there. If the word is there, you read a definition. You have to insert the word Court Fees Act. इतलें घालपाचें.
in a Court Fees Act already आम्ही हांगासर जरा definition म्हटला
पण
आणि
हिंग ना
ताच्या
ते.
सकयली तुम्ही 5th line वाचात.
हिंग ना
It is
ते.
already for the purpose of Court Fees Act. It
No,
is
no.
okay. आणि वेगळें म्हणून
Shall for the purpose of Court Fee Act is there.
Actually Court Fees Act सकयली आसा definition इज क्लियर केला. तुमकां जे
You look at
घालपाक जाय अशी गरज
you look at your 1965 Act. You look at your 1965 Act. The word is at both places.
that is there.
It is
That
both
there.
places.
That is in 1965 Actan आसा तुम्ही म्हणतात.
Both the places. It should be there.
ओके तर तो ऍड करपाक काय हरकत ना बट इट इज देयर तुका पयली म्हणटा तसो हय वी कॅन इन्क्लूड
It has to be there. Otherwise, there is big confusion. Or something.
ओके विल इन्क्लूड देयर कोर्ट फीज ऍक्ट सेक्शन 7 आत सर
Yeah. And one more thing, the last.
Public disclosure.
Yeah.
Okay, passing.
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्क्रीज जायना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कांय वाडना लिटिगेशन इन्क्रीज जालें कॉस्ट ऑफ लिटिगेशन इन्क्रीज जालें गोंयकारांक सामान्य मनशाक इन्क्रीज जालें ती इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कांय इम्प्रूवमेंट जायना सो व्हाय आर यू सच अ बिग हरी टू ब्रिंग इन द एक्सेस बर्डन टू द पब्लिक तेका लागून कितें आमी कितें बरें कर
ऑलरेडी जो आहा पळय न्ही ऑलरेडी फाटले फावटी जो कोर्ट फी एक्ट 2024 केला पळय न्ही
हय.
जाल्यार आमकां आतां हो एक्ट करप गरजेचें आसा अदरवायज इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लेम.
किती करेक्शन केलं
Only one thing, one small thing. Now in the suits, when we file a suit and we value the suit, there is no valuation, is the valuation given by the party. Under this valuation, suit valuation, what would be the valuation on the market value? If it becomes rate, the cost becomes very high. You already have raised the fee.
Specified in the court.
If tomorrow I say, I need to have a declaration that this property is mine, just a declaration of title, that this is my property. That property may be valued 10 lakhs, maybe worth 2 crores, can be any valuation. I value it, I don't have to wait for a valuation as per the chart or any table. So, it's just because I'm getting a declaration that this is my property, I don't want my neighbor to interfere, that's only thing. I have to pay market value. If you take a valuation, I'm going to die, just file a suit against my neighbor. Yes,
Actually, it is in Goa. आम्ही आमचो गोवा कोर्ट फी एक्ट 2024 केला पळय न्ही तितूर we had cleared it.
No, it's not.
It is there.
See, the valuation,
there.
the court fee is the fee which is dependent on that, but the valuation, how you value a suit, otherwise you don't require a suit valuation act. In a suit valuation, you are going to value the suit and pay the court fee.
No, that is we have declared already in the court fee act.
No, then it will not, it will be very troublesome, it will be very expensive, people will not go for litigation.
Litigation becomes
Now with all your Estates Act and all, people filing suits to say, I am the son of this, of the owner, I am the owner, not my neighbor's owner, we are going to die here.
Select committee that.
No, it is clear. It's clear, you can see afterwards. It is it is a table rates of the way already it is given.
Regional Babu Santa select committee that.
Art volume is different.
Because sir, only thing,
Sir, it is clear.
only
Sir.
burden
You want to
right?
pass this. You stand for the passing.
Select committee that
It is clear. It is passing.
the burden increase
प्रश्न
like,
असा
sir, only
विधेयक
burden.
विचारून घेवचे
Burden will be high.
because
प्रश्न
Burden
असा
is
आसा
high.
public
Because sir, I request to move that the bill number 17 of 2025, the Goa Suits Valuation Bill 2025
Yes, sir.
be passed.
division
With amendment. With
because sir
amendment.
division
एक मिनिट
because sir
With
division
small
के
amendment.
division
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री बसा बोल एक
sir division
Pass.
division
मागीर घेवया प्रश्न असा विधेयक विचारून घेवचे जेका ते मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचे जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचे
division because sir division के vote के how are you ask the speaker no you are asking the chief minister
डिविजन घे
Division.
डिविजन
Will you wait,
tell
division?
the speaker
Some.
huh?
Those who are in favor?
Alem bell division
अरे अजून सांगू ना किती ते अरे ओपन
उबे राहत जेका मान्य ना ताणें उबे राहत जेका मान्य ना ताणें उबे राहत 1 2 3 4 5 6
regional
हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 जाले जेका मान्य आसा ताणें उबे राहत
स्पीकर सर आम्ही सदांच कशें आसात जे इन द इंटरेस्ट अमेंडमेंट जरी सांगलो आसत जाल्यार ते कन्सिडर करपाक तयार आसा आणि ते कन्सिडर करून म्हाका दिसता इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट हे बिल पास करपाची गरज आसा तुमी हे बिल पास करचे मेजॉरिटी
31 हाँ against 6 against 31 yes हा पुढे आता बसून घ्यात
बिल पास
आता हय म्हणटा तेजें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें विधेयक विचारान घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाला आता विधेयक कामगार सभागृहात सादर करता एज करेक्टेड आता
Okay,
करेक्शन
correct.
केल्या त्या प्रमाणे प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 ते 9 कलम 1 आता
दुरुस्ती
दुरुस्ती
जोडणी
सहित
आसा.
अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतिमत्र्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय ते जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
हय
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान जालें कलम 2 ते कलम 9 कलम 1 एज करेक्टेड अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतिमत्र्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्यात मुख्यमंत्री आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव म्हणचो
Speaker, sir, I request the bill 17 of 2025, the Goa Suits Value Addition Bill 2025 as corrected be passed.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
हय
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें जालें द गोवा सोर्स सोल्युशन बिल 2025
Bill amended.
दुरुस्ती सहित
दुरुस्ती सहित pass.
मान्य जाला The Goa Animal Breeding and Domestication Regulation and Compensation Bill 2025. श्री निकन हलकर पशुसंवर्धन मंत्री पशुवैद्य सेवा मंत्र्यान विधेयक विचारण घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव म्हणचो
Sir, I request to move that bill number 26 of 25, the Goa Animal Breeding and Domestication Regulation and Compensation Bill 2025 be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारान घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य विधेयक विचारान घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाल्यात आता हांव विधेयक सांगा
Speaker, sir, the Goa Animal Breeding and Domestication Regulation and Compensation Bill number 26 of 25 proposed to provide for regulation and breeding and domestication of animals and for a matter of incidental thereto. Government reserves power to declare breed of animal to be furious animals by issue of public notice inviting objection from general public to proposed notification. No person after issuance of notification shall domestic, breed or cause to breed any animal of the breed or class specification in the said notification or bring an animal of the breed or class specified in the notification. The owner of the animal shall be solemnly responsible for the action of such a furious animal and he shall also be liable if such furious animal injuries any other human or animal. The owner of such furious animal shall inform in writing to the director about the existence of such furious animal in his possession. Within 60 days from the issuance of notification, owner shall sterilize and obtain certificate from confirming due to sterilization and director. The offender shall be punished with a simple imprisonment for a period which may extend to 3 months, but shall not be less than 15 days. Fine of rupees 50,000 and community service. Act provides for a simple imprisonment for a period of 1 month. Fine of rupees 50,000 and community service. Any person who injured in case of death, the legal representative of such deceased person may file a claim for compensation against the owner of any animal which he caused such injury or death. The decision of the competent authority may file an appeal to the Administrative Tribunal of Goa within 60 days from date of decision of the competent authority. The director shall maintain the register containing all the particulars of the owner and a furious animal in possession of such owners. Furious.
Yes.
Honorable Speaker, हांव पर्सनली एक सांगू सोदतां कायदो आसलो नाल्यार एक नोटिफिकेशन ऑर्डर हाडूंकूच जाय केन्ना आमचे ते डेंजरस फेरोशियस सुणे कुत्रे आसात तेन्ना कित्याक फकत लोकांक घरांनी कोण विजिटर येयल्यार तांकां घास मारतात नाल्यार रस्त्यार वयता लोकांक घास मारतात पूण आनी आमी कितले इन्सिडंट आयकले अशे की व्हडले व्हडले ब्रिडाचे सुणे आहात ते भुरग्यांक हें केलां अटॅक केला आनी घास मारला इतलें घास मारला डिसफिगर जाला लोकांचे पासून प्रॉब्लेम जाला म्हूण कायदो आसतना कायदो सामको बसूंक जाय. कायद्याचें नांव कितें? एनिमल ब्रिडींग एंड डॉमेस्टिकेशन रेग्युलेशन एंड कॉम्पन्सेशन बिल. सगळे वाचले तेन्ना म्हाका एक समरी एक येयली. हांव एक जोक करना पूण हांव एक सांगता कितें. म्हाका दिसलो कास्ट्रेशन लॉ म्हूण सुण्याचो कास्ट्रेशन करपाक. कास्ट्रेशन म्हणल्यार कितें? कपास करपाक. कपास कायदो कित्याक हांव म्हणटा कपास केलो म्हणलें हांव नेणा सुणो कितकोन हें जातलो जेंटल जातलो. दांत काळी जाता हांव जाणा पूण कपास केलो जाल्यार कितको वयतलो तो जेंटल जातलो आनी फ्युरियस जातलो. हे कायदो हाडलो तो. फर्स्ट मुगे एक ऑब्जेक्शन आसा. कित्याक? सेंट्रल कायदो आसा केंद्रीय सरकाराचो कायदो आहा तो तूं आतां गोंयच्या सरकाराचो कायदो हाडूंक सोदता. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ क्रुएल्टी एक्ट ऑफ एनिमल्स एक्ट आसा 1960. तेज अंडर नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केल्लें 25 सुणे ब्रिड्स डेंजरस म्हणलेले. बेंगलोर हायकोर्टान ती ऑर्डर क्वॉश केली. मद्रासा अजून पेंडिंग आसा. बॉम्बे हायकोर्टान पावले तेन्ना तेणें सांगलां वी आर नॉट एनफोर्सिंग वी वील टेक लिगल मेजर्स टू ब्रिंग अ प्रॉपर नोटिफिकेशन. म्हूण एक कायदो आसा तो पयलीं हांव दाखयता हें कितें तें. सेक्शन 2 A breeding म्हूण आहा. Breeding means mating between two animals of either same or different breed to obtain offspring with desired traits. मागीर ferocious animal, domesticate, E. Domesticate means keeping or possessing an animal. F. Ferocious animal means dangerous or violent animal which may pose a danger to humans and other animals. And sterilize, K. means a procedure which removes the capacity of the animal to reproduce. Same word as I used, which was castrating. Ata, section 3 and munta, power to declare breed of animals to be ferocious animals. The government may, by notification published in the official gazette, declare any breed or class of animals to be ferocious animals. Ata, tu ek notification katlo, kunche notification korpa. Now, prohibition. Section 4 put it. No person after issuance of notification under section 3 shall domesticate, breed or cause to breed any animal of the breed or class specified in the said notification issued under subsection 1 of section 3. Everything looks okay till now. I'll again come through it. Shall domesticate, breed or cause to breed. There is already a central law on this subject. I will point that out shortly. Now, I'm pointing this out. Mike, section 5. Duty and liability of owner. The owner of the animal which is declared to be a ferocious animal under section 3 shall be solely responsible for the actions of such ferocious animal, shall be liable if such ferocious animal injures any other human or animal. Ata, subsection 3. The owner of such ferocious animal shall, within 60 days from the issuance of the notification of section 3, sterilize, or cause to sterilize such breed or class of animals, and the director upon application owner shall issue a certificate confirming the ferocious animal dual self. Or kaido, when you are trying to prevent an animal, ferocious animal, I don't know whether any medical scientific कितें आहा जाल्यार तुमकां documentation sterilize केलें जाल्यार तो बरो जाता, मोव जाता, ओगा जाता.
ताका तुम्ही ना ना ताका तुम्ही कापास करून स्टरिलाइज करून ताका फोर्स आनी येतलो म्हणतो आनी एग्रेसिव्ह जातलो.
Oi, this is not the solution to the problem.
अरे एक्झाम्पल ना प्रोडक्शनाचे दुसरे झाले
तो जाणटो पासून हांव तेगे दांत आहात न्ही
अजून घास मारतलो आतां ते कोणा तरी काळो तो तूं घास मारपाक भोंवतो न्हू.
ना ना व्हॉट ही इज एग्रीइंग विथ अस. नो नो ही इज एग्रीइंग विथ अस. ही इज एग्रीइंग विथ अस व्हॉट वी आर सेइंग. ना स्पीकर सर एकूच प्रश्न असो आहा ही स्टरिलायझेशन म्हळ्यार एनिमल बर्थ कंट्रोल.
Rao, let me
Oh,
finish.
hey, Dada.
Vijay, let me finish. Let me finish. I'll finish. Now, section 5. We're coming to section 5. The owner of the animal which is declared to be ferocious in section shall be solely responsible. Now, subsection 2. The owner which has been notified shall within 3 days notify. Mulo to ek tek register kutolo to. Teka. Now, come to section 6. Penalty. Ati mache carefully watch. Whoever domesticates, breeds or causes to breed any breed or class of animals in contravention of the provisions of any of the provisions of this act. So yeah, whoever domesticates, मतलब गारंद होता, breeds, you're multiplying, or causes to breed any breed, it's not in section 3 into bracket 1, any breed or class of animals in contravention of any provision of the act. If tomorrow it is not one of your ferocious dogs, but any breed, he shall be punished with imprisonment.
Just 1 minute. Mr. Carlos, एक minute.
So under rules 16 cross 1, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the house by half an hour.
The motion is before the House. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I have it. Duration of sitting of the House is extended by half an hour. Yes, continue.
This is a penal provision. There is nothing like, we'll consider it. It is yes or it is no. It can't be in between. Rao. आता हांव पयलें म्हणटालो केंद्र सरकारान हाडला म्हण. I am passing, Honorable Speaker, this notification of the central government rules asa. एक minister abhi, speaker. One for the chief minister, one for the minister, and one for the Honorable Speaker. I'll give you also one. Navrata, I'll give you this one. You can pass that on. Minister एक copy दिला. घे, minister एक copy घे. Honorable Speaker, आत्याम पोरे. केंद्रीय सरकार ने 2017 एक rules आले. This may be prevention for dog breeding and marketing rules. Here, short title and commencement first. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Prevention of cruelty to animals, dog
23.
breeding and marketing rules.
Rules it is.
These are notified rules.
Yeah.
I'm giving you a copy of the Gazette. And here, there is a complete system. How you must register a breeder, how that breeding can take place, how you can sell the dog. Everything is provided here. When the central law makes any provision for any law in a concurrent list, then it is the central law alone which prevails and the state law cannot, unless it receives the assent of the President of India. I will give this. Please look at this.
Otherwise not. For these two only for
Article 254 of the Constitution of India.
state. Speaker sir.
Wait, I'm coming. I know what you're going to say also. I'll answer that also.
त्या पहिले answer करतो.
I'm anticipating. Next thing I will tell you. You're going to tell me this. Those are rules and this is an act. I know this. I will answer that also. I'll answer that also. Here, please look. If any provision of a law, see the word of a law, not enactment, of a law, made by a legislature of a state is repugnant to any provision of a law made by parliament, which parliament is competent to enact, or any provision of an existing law with respect to one of the matters,
Which page?
Article 254.
254. Yeah.
If any provision of a law made by the legislature of a state is repugnant to any provision of a law made by parliament, which parliament is competent to enact, or to any provision of existing law, which with respect to one of the matters enumerated in concurrent list and subject to provision of clause 2, the law made by parliament, whether passed before or after the law made by the legislature of the state, or as the case may be, the existing law shall prevail, and the law made by the legislature of the state shall, to the extent of the repugnancy, be void.
म्हणजे आम्ही कितें करता ते उरते कॉम्सर
Now, I'm going to answer that part also because I know there's something which is running in the mind. Please see this. Anjan, can you just? Please see, law is law made by the state or the state legislatures or the government of India. 13.
Clear भरून दे. हे clear भरून दे. स्पीकर सर,
I'm not finished.
पयलीं उलयता आनी मागे ते कितें जाय तें विचारूनी. माझे म्हणणें सरळ आसा. Okay. He is talking about the act with the prevention of the
I'm coming. Wait, I just 1 minute before you answer. Please look at this. Law includes any ordinance, order, bylaw, rule, regulation, notification, everything is covered as law. So when the central law is already there in the field, there's no question of us bringing this law, which is going to override the central law.
Speaker sir, आम्ही जे म्हणटा पळय न्ही, completely it is an cruelty of the Animal Act 1960. हाज्या बद्दल ॲडव्होकेट कालूस जे आसा पळय न्हू, हे डिटेलान डिस्कस करता. पण आत्तां आमी जो ॲक्ट पास करूंक सोदता पळय न्ही, हो खंयसरूच कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ द सेंट्रल लॉ आनी क्रुएल्टी ऑफ द एनिमल ॲक्ट हाज्या बरोबर जायना. हांव क्लियर आसा आनी त्या खातीर हांवें कंप्लिटली व्हेरीफाय करपाक लायिल्लें आसा. आमकां हांव मुद्दामून म्हणजे नो डावट ही इज हॅविंग द थॉरो नॉलेज ऑफ द लॉ, बट ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू हिम ऑल्सो एट प्रेझेंट cruelty of the animal act is a completely different आणि what म्हणजे आम्ही जो आमचो ऍक्ट जो पास करपाक सोदता फॉर द हाज्या खातीर फॉर दिस गोवा एनिमल ब्रिडींग एंड द डॉमेस्टिकेशन रेग्युलेशन कॉम्पेन्सेशन इट इज कंप्लिटली डिफरंट. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना आमी हे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन कंप्लिटली व्हेरीफाय करतले. पर्टिक्युलरली 2 किंवा 2 किंवा 3 कॅटेगरीचे डॉग्स हे आयडेंटिफाय करतले आणि त्याच त्या लिस्टात घालतले आणि जे म्हटले कपास करतले. कपास केल्या उपरांत त्याचे हार्मोन कमी जाता, ते तितके वायलंट जायना, ते वगी बसता मागीर मागीर
No,
ताका
no, I'm not finished. I'm not finished. Now, this is what happens. You interrupted me. मुझे खबर झालं. I'm showing you something else. I'm showing now. I don't know how my office did not give
दुसऱ्या ब्रिडींग जावंक जायना म्हणून ह्यो बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आसा. वी हॅव व्हेरीफायड हो एक आमी ऍक्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही हो लक्षांत घेतला आनी सांगला.
खंयच्यो ब्रीड त्यो खंयच्यो ब्रीड
राव
ह्यो तेणी सेंट्रल ऍक्टाच्यो दिल्या.
अनेक एक दिता राव. ऑनरेबल स्पीकर अनेक एक आसा.
रॉटवायलरच बिकॉज
रॉटवायलर आणि पिटबुल. रॉटवायलर आणि पिटबुल.
No. Not over. I'm going to show something else. I just passed this iPad of mine to you. 2023 केंद्र सरकारान अनेक एक नोटिफिकेशन रूल्स हाडल्या. Just 1 minute. One minute.
मजा ती ब्रीड
मुगोय आसा.
ना स्पीकर सर
प्रायम मिनिस्टर
आता बाप जितान म्हणले एक ब्रीड पर्टिक्युलर ब्रीड सांगल्या. प्रायम मिनिस्टराची मन की बात झाली, तातूंत ताणी म्हणले की दोनूच ब्रीड अश्यो देशान आहा. एक म्हणटा तो बुली कुत्ता म्हळ्यार इंडियन मॅस्टिफ आणि दुसरो तो अरे प्रधानमंत्र्याचे मन की बात घेऊन बस रोहन ताका आयकुनी ताणें आयकूंक ना. हांव एक्झॅक्ट प्रधानमंत्र्यान म्हणला ते कोट करता. हांव म्हणटा तो डेंजरस न्ही म्हणून, हांव म्हणटा की डेंजरस म्हणून, हांवें पोस्टात तो डेंजरस म्हणून. ते काय न्ही, तातूंत तो म्हणटा मुदोल हाव आनी बुली कुत्ता, ह्यो दोन ब्रीड इंडियन ब्रीड्स, ह्यो पोसच्यो आनी ह्यो आर्म्ड फोर्सिसान इंट्रोड्यूस करच्यो म्हणून, CISF, BSFान इंट्रोड्यूस करच्यो म्हणून, नॉट ओन्ली बेल्जियन मेलिनोआ, हे पसून घालचे म्हणून. हे प्रधानमंत्र्याचे आहा. तुम्ही जर प्रधानमंत्र्याचे वयर तुम्ही पावले जाल्यार बरं आहा. ओके, सांगू न्ही मरे तुम्ही.
स्पीकर सर, माझे म्हणणे आसा, हे आमी जे आसा पळय न्ही नोटिफाय करतले, आमी हाजेर ऑब्जेक्शन्स मागयतले आणि बाकीचे त्याच्या उपरांत आमी फायनल करतले. म्हणून माझी रिक्वेस्ट आसा. ओके, लर्नेड ॲडव्होकेट
No, no.
सांगता
Okay, काबार झालं ना. Not finished. I'll just tell you something. Then you answer this.
वेगवेगळे काढीत रावतले. तुम्ही आम्ही सांगला पळय, आम्ही केला इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक. तुमकां
no.
खबर आसा.
Please understand this.
कुत्रे घास मारून कितल्या भुरगे, म्हाका दिसता एक भुरगे एक्सपायर्ड सुद्धा झाले. आमचो इंटरेस्ट तो आसा की ह्या ज्या विशयाचेर जर आसा जाल्यार आता डिव्हिजन केल्यार जाता, काय हरकत
No, no, it's not that. You listen to this. You listen to me. Let me finish.
आमचे हे पळय,
Let me finish and then you
नॉलेज
speak.
अबाउट द लॉ, पण आम्ही त्या म्हटलं आम्ही नोटिफाय करता आणि नोटिफाय
No, no, no. It will go-
फायल करूनही. ओके, इन द सेंट्रल ऍक्ट सुद्धा आमचे इंटेन्शन क्लियर आसा. खंयच्याच जे कुत्रे असे हिंस प्रवृत्तीचे कुत्रे जे लोक सांबाळटात, म्हणजे श्रीमंताची मौज आणि गरिबाचं हे मरण हे जावपाक नाका, हो आमचो इंटेन्शन आसा. त्या खातीर मिनिस्टरान जे हाडला, आता ते बिचारूय बी लोक मागीर लास्ट सोडून घालता. तो कुत्रो जो हिंस जालो काय ना, तो सोडून घालता आणि तो चावात भोंवता. आणि रेबीज हो असो डिजीज आसा, रेबीज जाल्या उपरांत ताका वखदा ना.
Rabies has nothing to do with this. Nothing to do with this.
दुसरेकडे घुसपायता. रेबीज आणि संबंध ना.
स्पीकर सर, रेबीज आता रेबीजा खातीर घुसपायता म्हणून का मेल्या पळय न्ही रे, गोंयान भुरगो कुत्रो चावून मेला, धाकलो भुरगो. त्याचे आमचे इंटेन्शन क्लियर आहा. तुम्ही जर डिव्हिजन करता, डिव्हिजन करा. आमकां हे बिल पास करपाक जाय.
No, but one minute.
क्लियर आसा, आमकां बिल पास करपाक. कोण भायर
You just, Honorable Chief Minister, listen to this last. Then you pass whatever you want to do. We'll go for. Just listen to this last part. Now, there is one more rules which has come by the central government. That is called the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023. I don't know how your department is not aware of it. They are living in a fossil age. They are referring to Goa laws. Now 2017 I've showed you the law. I'm showing you 2023 law, where a complete chart is there, complete procedure is
Sir,
there.
our department has referred all the laws आणि त्या खातीर आम्ही म्हटलं आम्ही नोटिफाय करतले. दोज हू वॉन्ट टू फाईल रिगार्डिंग दिस, त्यांच्यानी आपले सगळे बाकीचे फाईल करचे.
No,
बाय
this is
टेकिंग
complete.
दॅट इनटू द कन्सिडरेशन, देन आम्ही नोटिफिकेशन बाकीचे जे आमचे क्लियर करपाक जाय ते आम्ही रुल्सान सगळे घालता आणि करता. तितून आम्ही खंयसरूच आमकां डाऊट ना. बिकॉज सर, टेक फॉर द पासिंग.
येस, येस.
ऑनरेबल कलीग तितलो उलयला, लोकांच्या मनान खंय तरी डावट येवपा नाका म्हणून हांव फक्त एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन काडटा ऑनरेबल सीएमा कडेन आनी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरा कडेन. जी फुडी कुत्रे घेतरी, जी ब्रीड जातरी, तांकां घेवपाचें नांव हें बील हाडटा, जे नोटिफाय करतले. जे आसा ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टींग आमचे कडेन आसा ताका नोटिफाय जे ते बरयला से अंडर सेक्शन 5 ते आमी कळोवपाक जाय आनी मागीर ताका स्टरलायज करपाक जाय. फुडें आनी जावपाक जायना म्हणून एक क्लियर बिलान आसा न्ही, हेजे वयर कितें आसा तेच तुका क्लॅरिफिकेशन मातशें करचें. आमी इतले उलयतरी
आपल्या घरात दवरपाचो, त्याची सेफ्टी आपल्याकडे.
Now, sterilization is not giving effect of controlling them from, and this law will not stand in court. This law will not stand a test.
स्पीकर सर, सारखे सिंपल. मुखेलमंत्री बाब, हांगा तुवें कोण एकल्या मिनिस्टराक खातलो, तो रावतलो, घास मारूं येता मग तुका.
तू कापू नका म्हणटात कुत्र्या.
अरे हांव काय बरोबर ते सिंपल सिंपल
स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, हो हे जे कुत्र्यांक आहा पळय न्ही तो स्टरलायज करू नका म्हणटा.
हांव ते म्हणा तुका दुसरे सांगता सिंपल ते यू आर सेइंग दॅट तो म्हणटा रे तो म्हणटा यू कंट्रोल द ब्रीडिंग
कपास केला नाका.
लेस वायलंट जातलो.
अरे कपास केला नाका.
तू कितको सांगता हाऊ कॅन यू
माजी मुख्यमंत्री.
It's not a solution.
स्पीकर सर, बिल पास करचे ताका नाका डिव्हिजन करचे ना. हांव डिव्हिजन मागता स्पीकर सर.
येस,
सीएम मागता डिव्हिजन मागता.
सभागृह सादर करता.
डिव्हिजन मागता डिव्हिजन. डिव्हिजन मागता डिव्हिजन जाय. डिव्हिजन मागता डिव्हिजन जाय. डिव्हिजन जाय. डिव्हिजन डिव्हिजन
Speaker sir, division जावं.
Domestication.
पळया कोणाक कितें बिल पास करपाचें आहा ना हो ना तें हा आमदार म्हाका डिव्हिजन मागपाचें हक्क आसा डिव्हिजन जाय म्हाका डिव्हिजन जाय स्पीकर साहेब हय मागीर थांबलो आता पळया स्पीकर सर आता कोण उबे रावता ना ते आता माग सर फॉर अगेन सर फॉर हा डिव्हिजन
अरे तुझे रस्ते बस
कोण आसा ते
कोण ना उभा
फिगर कोण आसा पळय.
अरे कोण ना उभा
बिलाक फेवर आशिल्ले उबे राव फेवर आशिल्ले उबे राव फेवर आशिल्ले उबे राव
ना रे,
इन फेवर
opposing.
बरं
31 बरं बिलाक अपोज आशिल्ले उबे राव तसा हे भुरग्या मारूंक जाय पळय हे नको बसून येत अपोज आसले उबे राव
कितले झाले
31
Oppose. Fancy, fancy.
1 2 3 4 5 6
So,
6 by 6 by
आम्ही काल
31
बिलां जी स्पिडीन
Yes.
पास करतात हाजेर नेशनल येता
पास होते.
बोला बसून घे प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 ते 11 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतीक मत्स्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचे जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचे हय हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणे मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणे मान्य जालें कलम 2 ते 11 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतीक मत्स्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्यात पशुसंवर्धन आणि पशुवैद्य सेवा मंत्र्यान आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव म्हणचो पासिंग
Speaker, sir, bill may be passed.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें तो गोवा एनिमल ब्रिडींग अँड द डॉमेस्टिकेशन रेग्युलेशन अँड कंपेन्सेशन बिल 2025 मान्य जालां आता सभागृह आमकां कांयच काम करनाशिल्लें सभागृह 24 जुलय 2025 11:30 स्थगीत करता
If you are running a business where you are the one who's managing operations, sales, marketing, finances, hiring, and everything else, then let me tell you something. You're not really running a business. Your business is making you run because you've set yourself in a trap called the trap of self-employment. Self-employment is a situation where you start a business, you create jobs, you pay salaries to your team members on time, but you end up doing the work that your team is supposed to do. And in such a trap, it's very common for the business owner to not pay himself or herself consistently, because you pay yourself only when there is money left, if there is money left. Now, if as a business owner, you're stuck in this trap and you're serious about breaking through this trap and build a business in a manner where you are not stuck in day-to-day firefighting and you can focus on growth and expansion, then I invite you to be a participant at my 3-hour training called the Business Success Workshop, where I will teach you how to go about building a business in a manner where you have strategies, systems and teams in every single department, so you have the time and energy to focus on growth and expansion. And all of this for just an investment of ₹99. Hi, my name is Rajiv Talreja, and as an educator for the last 17 years and as a business coach for the last 7 years, I've helped more than 25,000 business owners set up strategies and systems in their business in a manner where it can grow without them. And I myself have built 4 businesses and own 1 celebrity sports team. So I want you to be a part of this learning journey so I can help you structure your business in a manner where you play the game of growth and expansion and get out of the trap of firefighting. So register yourself right now for the Business Success Workshop. More than 1,82,000 business owners have participated in the Business Success Workshop and have given us a rating of 4.8 out of 5. So you cannot miss this opportunity. Click on the link, register yourself. On completion of your registration and completing the training, I will also be giving you bonuses worth ₹5,000 to help you in your learning journey. So click on the link, register right now. I look forward to seeing you in the Business Success Workshop.
Honorable Speaker,
स्पीकर सर, हांवें तें बील एडवर्टायजमेंट बील म्हजें आसा पळय न्ही तें चॅक केलें आनी आमी कोर्टानूय BPIL जें आयिल्लें ताका सगळें सबमिशन केलां. एट एज पर द सबमिशन बाकीचें कितें आसा तें आमी रुल्स एंड रेगुलेशन्स करता. हांवें पळयलें कांयच करेक्शन